Good morning, everybody. Today we will talk about a few binary codes other than just binary as such. These codes are like BCD, Gray code, XS3, and all of them have some purpose in being invented at all. So let us see the first binary code, that is BCD. BCD is actually binary coded decimal. What it actually means is you are simply coding the decimal digits into binary form. We are all familiar with decimal digits and we are all proficient in arithmetic and everything that has to do with decimal. But the situation is that the computers like binary. So we have a sort of a conflict here and we can come and find some middle ground in BCD logic. What BCD does is, instead of actually going for converting from a binary number to a decimal or vice versa, which is actually an expensive process, let us represent each decimal by another code, that is the BCD code. Okay. For example, we have decimal digit 0. The 0 is represented as 0000. You might argue that this is actually binary. Yes, this is actually the binary of the decimal digit 0. 1 is 0001. But what is the difference between binary and BCD? It goes that BCD exists only from digits 0 to 9, exactly in the case as in the case of decimal. Decimal is 0 to 9, BCD is also 0 to 9. The difference is that when we say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, BCD says 0000, 0001 and so on up to 1001. So it sounds like binary to the computer who is happy, and we can go on dealing with the numbers as if it was decimal. So this is the advantage of BCD. 0 to 9 are the only digits that exist in BCD, the binary form of 0 to 9. So how many bits are required to represent BCD digits? 4 bits, because 1001 is the maximum digit in BCD, and that requires 4 bits. But then this is not the last 4-bit binary number. The next number is 1010, that is 10. And 10 is considered as an invalid number in BCD logic. So in BCD, the numbers after 1001, that is 1010 and so on up to 1111 are considered invalid digits. Hence, BCD code. BCD is also known as 8421 code. It is easily understood when you look at the weight of each position. The weight of this position is 1, the weight of this position is 2, this is 4 and this is 8. And these are the only weights that go in BCD. So it is also known as 8421 code. The application of BCD comes in keyboard inputs and digital readouts. Keyboard inputs take decimal input. These can be interpreted as BCD code directly inside the system. A digital readout is actually a numeric display, and hence again it is convenient to use BCD logic. If you will look here, the decimal digit 0 and the BCD are represented here. All the numbers up to 9 are represented here. From this, shall we try to represent 214 in BCD form? All you have to do is take each digit, the first digit is 2, and write the corresponding 4-bit binary code. 4-bit binary code is BCD. So 2 becomes 0010, 1 becomes 0001, 4 becomes 0100. This is direct interpretation of each digit in the decimal into its BCD form. Look at 9016, this is 9, 1001, 0 is 0000, 4 bits, 1, and this is 6. If you want to do it the other way around, you divide it into sections of 4 for BCD given, that is 0010 is 2 and 1000 is 8. So you have 82 here. Please note that BCD cannot be taken as equal to or equivalent to binary form. For example, we have already done the BCD code of 214, and this is what we got here in red. But 214 in binary, if you work it out, you get 110101110. That is the binary equivalent. Obviously, these two are not equal. Therefore, BCD is not equivalent to binary. Do not confuse these two. So that is BCD code for you. I hope it is clear. Please study well. Thank you.